Welcome back to the channel, another video, guys. In this video today, we're doing another Bloom Technique acrylic pour. I was inspired recently by Waterfall Acrylics. She did a Bloom Technique acrylic pour using blues with a pink cell activator. I wanted to try to recreate that as best as I can, and you know, we all know it's abstract fluid art. There's no way to recreate it exactly, but I'm very happy with the way it came out. So with that, let's get into the video. So right here, I'm just layering my colors. As you can see on the screen, there's this little piggy's Harvest Gold, some golden teal, golden manganese blue, and then this little piggy's Sapphire. And then the Amsterdam Red Violet is the cell activator for these. So as you can see, I'm blowing not straight down, but kind of out at an angle. I'm trying to push all that cell activator over the other colors, so that way it gives it that really nice gradient effect, as well as the lacing and cells develop the way I want. Unfortunately, I lost a lot of the gold, and I think that's because it was the bottom of the color layers, so a lot of that gold got pushed off to the sides, or it was just buried beneath those opaque paints above it. But it still provided a very small amount of, you know, a real subtle effect, and it really complemented this little piggy's Sapphire blue. So I spun this one out. It was pretty good. I like this one. The first one and the second one, they were pretty good, but I'm gonna say that this third one right here was my absolute favorite one. Just the way that all the lacing and all the cells came, and I got a really good coverage of the entire tile. I think I'm in need of a really big intervention, y'all, because I've been doing these bloom pour techniques for a very long time, and I just can't stop. I can't stop. I don't know if I really want to stop at all, though. But like I was saying, this one came out absolutely stunning. I love this one. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now stick around to the end of this video, because at the very end I have a really cool announcement that I'm thinking that a whole bunch of you will like. So with that, let's watch this last one, crank some tunes, and get going. Hope you guys loved the video. I wanted to let you guys know that I have started making prints of my artwork. So in addition to being able to purchase the original piece over on my Shopify store, which is linked in the description, by the way, I also have a Redbubble, which creates prints, and they have all kinds of products like throw pillows, blankets, coasters, coffee mugs, travel cups, shower curtains, all kinds of cool stuff. And the bloom techniques and all that other stuff look really amazing on it. So if you want to check out the prints that are over there, it'll be the first link in my description. It will be my Redbubble store. And with that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now, and I'll see you there.